Levi's X Nike Air Max 95 OG Cream and Gum blends classic design with elevated craftsmanship. This collaboration fuses Levi's denim legacy with Nike's iconic running silhouette, offering a refined, minimalist version of the Air Max 95. The upper features a mix of off-white denim, canvas, and suede in soft cream shades, delivering a clean, vintage feel. Signature Levi's elements, such as the red tab on the side panel and co-branded insoles, add subtle branding. A wide midsole houses the signature visible air units, providing comfort and support, while the gum rubber outsole offers a warm contrast and retro flair. Balancing function and style, this release captures both streetwear appeal and timeless elegance, making it a standout addition for collectors and fashion fans alike. Though release details remain under wraps, anticipation is building steadily for this understated yet striking entry in the Levi's X Nike partnership.